that's my story, Johnny.
Looks like you're in a lot of trouble. You'll find Venom.
But how? Venom is invisible to my spider sense.
Knowing your luck, Venom will find you. Have faith, Spidey.
Where could she be? Gotta find her. Got no choice.
Wah, what a wuss. Hey, wanna race? Parker hates it when I get the drop on him.
I hate it when he gets the drop on me.
Hurry up, Parker!
Move it, Spidey, move it! Gotta keep moving. Gotta keep up. Can't lose him. Haven't used the Spidey armor much before, but it could be used.
Quit slacking, boy! Come on, Parker. Look out, lady.
Oh my goodness!
Out of my way, nerd! Watch that first step, Parker. It's a doozy.
Ow, my head! Ow, my head!
Look out, lady.
Oh my goodness!
Oh, sorry, lady. Didn't see a thing. If you want to fight, follow me. Where'd Spider-Wuss go? Spider-Wuss! Come out and play!
Tag! Come back here, Venom! Where are you?
Now you see me, now you don't. Yes. Tasty. Itsy spider. Come to Papa! Spidey, where are you?
I'm already at full health.
Shaken, not stirred. Great, yummy.
Yuck!
Spidey, where are you?
American made.
Come to Papa!
Yuck!
Spidey, where are you? Laying down on the job, Parker?
Where's my wife, you symbiote freak? You can run, Venom, but you can't hide! What are those things? These guys must be leftovers from what looks like the only way across the cavern is swinging to those pipes. A trap! I'm sorry, guys. Am I late for the party? Open this door!
Who is it? Come in!
I should probably swing to the next pipes using my targeting mode. Well, what do we have here? I'm already at full health. I'm already at full health.
Wanna live? Hang on, Parker. Mary Jane's at the next stop.
I make this look easy. I'm already at full health. Are there? Right. me now. Big time. Already locked and loaded. Give some troubles coming. About that? Looks like I better time this right. Move it, Spidey, move it! Gotta keep moving.
Coming through!
already at full health. Where are you?
Mary Jane won't last much longer!
I bet the right combination of switches will open all of the sewer pass gates.
Guess again. Ooh! Look at the big brain on Spidey!
There. That's the last switch. Come back here, Venom!
Yummy!
I'll find Mary Jane. We need to crawl on this grating to get past this water.
Starting to sweat here, Parker? Come to Papa!
The lizard! I knew it.
Spider-Man! Venom has imprisoned me and has taken my lair. Now he's using my lizard man against you. He's also imprisoned that Parker woman.
Where is she?
She's in the lair at the end of the maze. There's only one way to get there. Go back along this tunnel and cross over 2 waterways. At the 3rd waterway, go right. Follow it around the corners, past the machinery, skip the first tunnel intersection, then go right at the next one. You will find the woman there.
Thanks, lizard. Golden.
Warmer? Starting to sweat here, Parker? Ah! You're on fire, baby! Oh, you're hot, baby! My, sent the spider to the smallest...
Help! Is anybody there? Help me!
Mary Jane!
Please!
Hey! You made it!
Venom!
I'd let you see your wifey poo, but she's in the bath right now. So, what do you say, Spunky? Let's finish this! Great! Spider-Man! Oh, help me! I'm drowning! Come to Papa! Spidey, where are you? Itsy bitsy spider. Spidey, where are you? Brains, yummy. Itsy bitsy spider.
Why, Venom? Why did you come back?
You should know, Spider-Man. The heist you pulled at the Science Expo. You're the bad guy this time.
You idiot! Think, Eddie. Think back to that day. I was with you in the crowd. An imposter Spider-Man was on stage. He burned both of us, and now we've been played against each other.
You're right, partner.
Mary Jane!
Gotcha! You and your wife are innocent, Parker. Our bad.
Our bad? Our bad? I'm gonna kill
Peter
you!
Parker! Just get me out of here now!
Bummer. You're in the doghouse now, dude.
Coming, honey. So, we're partners, but only for now. After we bust those tech thieves, it's payback time for kidnapping my wife.
Jeez, one little mistake. We said we're sorry.
Yeah, whatever. Now, the imposter was a shapeshifter, so that means it was either Mysterio or the Chameleon.
Hey, Chameleon was our idea. We thought of that.
Tell me this, Einstein. Who could have wanted to steal Octavius' technology?
Ooh, we know!
Who?
The Submariner.
The Submariner? Get serious, will you?
The mighty Thor.
Are you out of your mind? Don't answer that.
Galactus.
Forget it, Eddie. I need Jameson's help on this. We're going to the Bugle.
Jameson. We hate Jameson.
You bonehead. We're not going to see Jameson. We're going to use his computer database.
Ooh, are we gonna surf the web?
Let's just go, okay?